So there is talk in uh, this universe is covered by 7 layers: earth, water, fire, air, like that. When we shall be going to the spiritual sky, we have to pass through these 7 layers. Each layer is 10 times bigger than the first. Uh, Suppose we pass the air layer, the next layer, the fire, is 10 times bigger. Uh, then water 10 times. In this way, we have to pass through. We are so much tightly packed up. It is not so easy. Like take a Sputnik and go anywhere. No. That requires sadhan bhajan, practice, how to give up this engagement of 7 layers and then completely pure spirit, soul, you enter into the spiritual sky. Uh, that is merging in the spiritual effulgence, Brahma Jyoti. Then you can go farther and enter into the spiritual planet if you are fit for that. Otherwise you will remain in the Brahma Jyoti, nirvishesh, without any variety, simply light, as the Gyanis they want. But you cannot stay there, because you are a living entity. You are part and parcel of Krishna. So actually you are trying to go to Krishna. Just like a child is crying. The idea is the child wants mother, or mother's breast milk. That is his demand. But sometimes we do not know. We try to make the child comfortable in different ways. Similarly, all of us are searching after Krishna. That is the fact. Krishna being the supreme, we are all being parts and parcels. Our natural tendency is to approach Krishna. Manushya partha sarvas. Mamo varthanuvartante manushya partha sarvasa. In the Bhagavad Gita you will find this. Mamo varthanu, they are all trying to come to me. But they are being hampered by different types of maya. So, the spiritual advancement means ultimately to approach Krishna. This is very nicely explained by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The Bhaktilata, the creeper of bhakti, is growing. But it will go on growing until the Bhaktilata catches the lotus feet of Krishna. You will see the creeper, they grow, they try to catch something small. As soon as they get a pillar or wood, immediately, by nature. Similarly, you go on increasing your bhakti kripa. The bhakti kripa, eirupe brahmanda bhramite kono bhagavan jeev, Guru Krishna kripaye paye bhakti lata bij. Bij. Bij means seed. Guru Krishna. Krishna and Guru. When both of them are merciful, then you can get the seed of bhakti lata kripa. Mali haiya sei bij karoe ropan. When you get a nice seed, just like you are growing, nursing the tulsi seed very carefully. Tulsi seed, that is the example of bhakti seed. Similarly, you have to nurse the bhakti seed by giving all protection, watering daily. So what is the watering process? This watering process. सवान कीर्तन जले करय सेचन माली है या सही बीज करय रोपण सवान कीर्तन जले करय सेचन. You have to become a gardener and where is it? Praveen Chandra. He is not here. Yes, that's all. Savan kirtan jale karaya sacha. Hearing. If you want to come to the right conclusion, then you have to hear from persons authorized, not from the nonsense rascals, politicians, diplomats, no. Just like here it is said, Vaiyasake. You have to hear from Vaiyasaki or his representative. Vaiyasake riti vachas tatta nischayam atmana. If you hear from the right person, then tatta nischayam, then positively you can realize self. And if you hear from some rascals, they have no connection with Vaiyasaki. Simply by dint of mental speculation, interpreting, I think this may be this, I think this. What you are? Nonsense. You think? We don't accept such nonsense things. It must be positively authorized. As it is said here, Vaiyasake riti vachas tatta nischayam atmana. When you hear from the right person, tad vidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadekshanti tad jnanam jnanina tattadarshina. Jnani and tattadarshi, simply jnani, simply ABCD knowledge, academic education will not help. He must be jnani. At the same time, tattadarshi. That tattvadarshana cannot be possible by mental speculation. Chirang vichinnan athapiti deva padambujadayam prasadaleshanugrhita vahi janati tattam. Janati tattam. Nachanna ekopi chirang vichinnan. Who knows the tattva? Athapite deva padambujadam prasada lesanugrhita. One person who has got a slight benediction from your lotus feet. Not that all. A slight. Salpamapi yasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhaya. If you get a slight, a glance, then your life is perfect. Immediately. Not that you have to get